welcome to IntelRevolution.com and Freedom Fighter 2127. This is sort of breaking news, but not really, because the dates included in this article from Cern are from November 17th. However, the date this article was published was on the 25th of November. This is some basic information that's just taken place recently. This is also the I guess almost an introduction to what we'll be exposing in day 2 of creation, the mini series that we have of the bigger series, which is Darkness Falling, our exclusive series on Cern on the website IntelRevolution.com. To watch these videos, it's $3 a month or $27 for your first year. We uncover quite a bit of information, going down into quite a bit of detail that not a lot of people are willing to do. With this particular recent event, I'm going to tie some things together in this podcast to share just a brief overview of what's taken place. In the future, in the very, very near future, we're going to be releasing that day 2 video. So make sure you sign up for that, or if you're already a member, it's coming soon, so don't worry. Anyways, let's get into this article. The LHC collides ions at new record energy. After the successful restart of the LHC and its first months of data taking with proton collisions at a new energy frontier, the LHC is moving to a new phase, with the first lead-ion collisions of Season 2 at an energy about twice as high as that of any previous collider experiment, following a period of intense activity to reconfigure the LHC and its chain of accelerators for heavy ion beams. CERN's accelerator specialists put the beams into collision for the first time in the early morning of the 17th of November 2015, and stable beams were declared at 10:59 a.m. today, marking the start of a 1-month run with positively charged lead ions. Lead atoms stripped of electrons, the 4 large LHC experiments will all take data over this campaign, including LHC-B, which will record this kind of collision for the first time. Colliding lead ions allows the LHC experiments to study a state of matter that existed shortly after the Big Bang, which is why we call it day 2, and it's called quark-gluon plasma. This is not in the article, I'm telling you this off of our research. Reaching a temperature of several trillion degrees, and it's a very interesting time period given what was at stake during that particular day of creation. A lot of people don't quite know what took place, even though Genesis gives us a great deal of information. Let's continue, but before I get back into this article, on the 17th of November, we should take a look at the earthquakes. On the 17th of November, 2015, an earthquake took place, a 6.5 magnitude earthquake took place in Greece. The U.S. Geological Survey is reporting a 6.5 magnitude that struck Greece this morning, November 17, 2015. The quake occurred 66 miles southwest of Ioannina. I believe that's how you pronounce that. It's kind of interesting because they're colliding ion particles, and on the exact same morning, a 6.5 earthquake took place just 66 miles southwest. I mean, just look at the symbolism. That's all I'm trying to show you. Of Ioannina, early Tuesday, just off the western Greek island of Lefkada. 2 people are reported dead so far. The initial reading of 6.7 was adjusted to 6.8 and the depth to 5 kilometers, according to the scientists. Later readings from the USGS put the magnitude at 6.5. while the University of Athens gave 5.9 reading. It's a very interesting as well as there were earthquakes, not as significant, but kind of. 2 earthquakes over 4.0 and 2 over 3.0 on the 17th of November. all spanning out through different times of the day. However, what's interesting about that is during this recent time period, since the 17th of November, there's been a little bit of an uptick in earthquakes, hasn't there? Large earthquakes. This is an article by Dutch Sense. This is today, 11/25/2015. New Madrid seismic zone struck by earthquake swarm. Major global seismic unrest underway. As if we needed any more signs that the North American plate is under heavy stress. Now an earthquake swarm has broken out along the New Madrid seismic zone in South Missouri. A major global seismic unrest event is currently underway. Over the past 1 to 2 weeks, roughly 10 days, I would say, because that's the day they began the ion colliding, is when the noticeable increase in earthquake activity has taken place worldwide. An earthquake forecast and warning was issued for the Pacific Plate to be on watch for large earthquakes to strike, as well as Europe, the United States, and Asia. All the areas which were warned have been struck by noteworthy movement. As the earthquake forecast video talked about, he's talking about the video he has out, we are now seeing the seismic pressure transfer eastward from the Pacific, starting with a new swarm of 4.0 earthquakes in Vancouver, BC. Also a new swarm of 4.0 earthquakes, 4.0 to mid 5.0 earthquakes, struck the fracking operations in Oklahoma. When the fracking operations can't take the pressure anymore, the pressure transfers eastward towards the New Madrid, causing earthquakes as the pressure travels along the Craton edge, building towards the east coast. Indeed, the pressure has pressed further east from the fracking operations, and it has caused a new earthquake swarm to develop along the New Madrid seismic zone, NMSZ. This pressure transfer should be cause for some alarm in the United States, especially in the Midwest and along the East Coast. See the line of earthquakes over the past 3 days, up to November 25th, 2015. It's just a straight line going across the U.S. This image will all be on the website, so don't worry. The progression of earthquakes along the Craton/plate edge is obvious. Professional geologists and seismologists have come to my pages in the past to deny that earthquakes are progressing from west to east across the Craton over the course of days. For instance, to maintain the status quo on geology theories, professionals who read this post will literally overlook or deny this above graphic showing the past 3 days of earthquakes. Means that earthquakes are progressing. Many even will go so far as to say it's just chance that these keep happening over and over again along the Craton edge. Now, we could go into all kind of depth about, actually I think we already did. We did it in one of the first Cern videos we really did. The ley lines that are all throughout the US. I'll bet you this is on one. I haven't had a chance to look at the map yet, so please bear with me on that one. I have not looked at the maps. I'll have to look at it, and I'll put it, of course, in the exclusive video if I find it, or if I compare it and I like it. If I don't like it and it's not true, then I will not put it in the video, and I will post it in the comments that I've made a correction. Anyways, but I do believe, you know what? I just looked it up. It's on a ley line. What we exposed originally back in one of the first Cern videos we did was that Cern was on the same ley line. I believe it was the pyramids as well as Stonehenge. Yeah, it is. There it is. Oh my goodness. See, I did this research as I was making this recording, so it's kind of interesting. I'm going to put this into a video cast and then put it on the website as well, so you get to see all the stuff I'm seeing. But this is really interesting. This is really interesting because they're doing something at Cern with these ion beams. The lead ions collide, the particles, excuse me. And today they just announced stable beams, so we'll see what takes place in the coming days here. But if I recall, they were only going to do this till the end of the month, and then go back to what they were doing before this. But I could be wrong. Anyways, that's all the news I've got for you right now. Stay tuned for that exclusive video. And if you're not a member, remember to sign up. It's $3 a month or $27 for your first year. God bless and carry on. I want to thank you all for watching and listening. As many of you know, we've changed the way we do things. All of our exclusive content, all of our big explosive content is located on the website intelrevolution.com, where you have to sign up and register for $3 a month or $27 for your first year. We're changing the way we do things to grow and to expand, and because of YouTube and the limitations and the restrictions that YouTube is continually putting on everybody. Enough is enough. We're going to continue to grow. We ask that you support independent media to help us grow further and further and further with just a simple subscription. Thank you again. God bless and carry on.